Hello and welcome on board this SAS Scandinavian flight 931 Copenhagen to Los Angeles. 11 hours, flying in business class, seat 1A. I will show you everything that's in on the seats, what's included in these trips, the food, everything that I can possibly film and tell you about. I hope you will enjoy this film. And if you do, please subscribe, like, and any comments, questions, anything, then please just let me know in the comments below. Thank you. It's time to leave a rainy Denmark behind. So the menu just arrived. Let's see what we will have. It's drinks, cocktails, spirits. I'll make sure to include everything. Beer, wine, champagne, white and red wine. The famous apple must, some more wine. The menu here will start with a cool smoked salmon from the Faroe Islands with spices. So that will be a nice start. I think I will go for the roast pork. And then it's cheese and dessert. Pre-landing, some chicken and salmon, and it looks nice. You can select different coffee, different tea sorts mid-flight. Something I will show you is where you can pick up some extra items if you wish. You can round it off with some nice wines there. Liqueur, the Cointreau and Baileys. It's a nice more tea and coffee. Took some water with ice, warm cashew nuts, and a forest spring. That, as I said, it's our award-winning cocktail. It contains whiskey, ringy apple juice, and ginger ale. So I will taste and give you the result back. So the starter is ready. It's first is the bread and very nice butter with herbs. Then I picked the local bresaola. It's local dry meat made in Scandinavia. Then it's olive oil, salad, some wine from Australia, and water. so far everything is going fine and very nice staff. Now it's time for dinner. I took the roast pork with apple demi-glaze, crushed potato and pumpkin, fried kale with shallots. So this will be the main course. The first one was really nice. And I am waiting for a non-alcoholic drink that I can really say that I like it a lot. And if you don't drink alcohol, it's perfect. It's named Above the Clouds. It's cranberry juice, apple juice and Sprite. And we are on our way up to Iceland, then Greenland, then Canada, then United States. Right, so an update. The first course, the starter was great. However, the roast pork, I will give that maybe 2.5 or 5 because it was not that good. Also, according to my mother, who had the risotto, that was like soup. You don't take that. I'm not sure about the duck, since I don't eat duck at all. But all so far is good. One very big thing that's affecting many of us on board this long flight is that the Wi-Fi is out of order. It doesn't work. They doesn't say, and so that's a shame. But now it's time for some tea and some ice cream. So let's hope it will be a nice dessert. Alright, so the dessert, that's the tea, ice cream, and then we have some very interesting thing here. That's blackcurrant, lemon curd, and some tartlets with chocolate and fresh fruit. So that would be a fresh thing to end the meal with, of course. And now we are flying over Iceland, and it's great weather. It's usually not this clear at all, so this time I can actually get some nice view. And a summary about the dessert and everything. This was great. I think that was the best. If I will just say, it will be a 4 of 5. The first course was 4 of 5, and again the pork as dinner was 2.5 or 5. Not the best, to say at least, but no Wi-Fi. And I will soon show you the old remote control. That's can be a bit tricky to use. It's totally different than the other one at the New York place. So here is the galley where passengers can go and take coffee, Sprite, Coke, water, plates. This is very handy when, if you can't sleep or whatever. And so you have chocolate balls, you have cashew nuts, you have some Swedish chips, some wine, and some candy there. It's very handy. And here is A330 is only one toilet, but however it comes with a view. And you can configure 1, 2, wow, so that's very handy. Everyone has access to the aisle. In case you do need to go on the toilet faster, you can go to the premium economy. It's behind that curtain there, so that's totally okay, but they can't come in here and go on the toilet. Okay, I think I got that covered. Right. So more is coming. Thank you for watching. So this is the old remote control on the Airbus 340 with SAS. So as you can see, this design is mostly to get attention from cabin crew. Here is a little mouse. It's like Apple TV, where you can use the mouse on the menu. But it takes quite a bit. So if you're not used to it, it can show like on TV. It's 125 different programs. My dad was very happy to see The Mentalist. There is 10 episodes. It's usually like that. It's a few episodes or up to 10 or so, but that's the TV. Movies this time. 100 movies in total. It is quite a few than it used to be. So this is something SAS must have been working at recently. So that's very nice to see that you can actually have a choice between the different hangars that you would like to see. Since it's a long trip and the wife is gone, then yeah, so that's it. Then we will take a look at the amenity kit. Alright, so now it's time to show the amenity kit. The items is actually in a bag. The bag can be used to store your shoes when you sleep on board or whenever you want during the trip. It's quite handy. Then you have the shadows. You have, of course, earplugs. Everyone need them. You have toothpaste, toothbrush in one there. The stockings is of very nice brand that can be used many more times than just once, like that. Then we have the skincare is from versus Stockholm. It's quite good brand. It's very expensive to buy the full bottle. 10 milliliter face moisturizer, and then I have the lip balm, 5 milliliters. So that's quite a lot to. And I like that they started to use SAS, instead of just unbranded items. So that's the amenity kit on SAS business class. 4 hours too hungry, so I totally missed to start filming before I started to eat, but this is a pre-departure because 1.5 hours before we land on the long haul flight with SAS. You will see this, and the fresh fruit I checked with orange juice this time, and smoked salmon. If you don't like salmon, it's also possible to have chicken. You can also have a coffee or tea, or anything else to drink, of course. So enjoy.